Question number 80 has given you a relation x to the power of m, y to the power of n is equal to x plus y to the power of m plus n, and then you have to prove this relation, that dy by dx for this will be y upon x and its second order derivative would become 0. Okay, so this question, because it is in power form, products, and so many things are there, so it will be convenient if you take log. So taking log, so log, the power comes in front, dot, multiplication changes to plus. So taking log both the sides, this will become m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n log of x plus y. Then differentiating straight away. M is a scalar, log x is 1 by x, n 1 by y, and then y ka derivative dy by dx has to come. We are differentiating with respect to x. Here the scalar m plus 1 n will come as it is, and log of anything is 1 upon में आ जाएगा. Then इसका derivative करोगे आप, so x का derivative 1, y का dy by dx. Now collecting your dy by dx one side, so we had dy by dx with n upon y, and यहाँ ये दोनों में multiply होगा, 1 में भी and dy by dx में भी, we'll get it to the other side, so minus of m plus n upon x plus y. Then this multiplied inside, m plus n upon x plus y, and this minus of m upon x. Okay, then taking LCM here, then cross multiplying, this is what you get in your numerator. Your this factor gets cancelled. Likewise here also, if you take LCM, x into x plus y, so this becomes mx plus ny minus mx minus ny. This factor is getting cancelled. Then so dy by dx will be, these factors left over will be taken to the other side, so dy by dx will become y x plus y, and here upon you had x plus y, so x plus y gets cancelled. Here your numerator was nx minus my, here also you are getting nx minus my will also get cancelled, and you are left with only y upon x, which you had to prove. Now for second order derivative, differentiate this very relation once again with respect to x. So d2y by dx2 is equal to, अब इसमें quotient rule लगाओगे, denominator square, denominator into derivative of numerator, derivative of y will be dy by dx, minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator, that is x, is 1. Okay, now this dy by dx was equivalent to y by x, we had proved, so put that value here. We'll substitute that dy by dx was y upon x, so x and x gets cancelled, so numerator becomes y minus y, which becomes 0, and 0 upon anything is 0. So that is what you had to prove. Now in 81 you have been given x is equal to sine t, y is equal to sine pt, and then you have to prove this relation, 1 minus x square d2y by dx2 minus x dy by dx plus p square y is equal to 0. Okay, so for that we will differentiate parametric functions here. So dx by dt you will take out from here, sine t would, derivative would become cos t, derivative of this would be dy by dt, which is sine ka cos pt, and then derivative of pt, which is p. Okay, so these two relations, so dy by dx is this upon this, so p cos pt upon cos t, right? Now children, you can do this by, this is your derivative, first order derivative, then you can proceed to find your d2y by dx2 from here itself using quotient rule in this, and then substituting in this पूरे expression को रख के आप इसमें substitution कर सकते हो. Put your x, put your d2y by dx2 evaluated, dy by dx evaluated, value of y, and then calculate, and you end up getting 0. Okay, that way also you will get it, but it becomes a bit lengthy. If you apply tricks, then your work is easier, so I have done it by that way. Okay, applying certain tricks and all. So what I've done here is, after I got dy by dx is equal to this expression, this cos t I have multiplied here and squared the first cross multiply. Cross multiplying here, this would become cos t dy by dx is equal to p cos pt. Then squaring that relation, so it will become cos square t dy by dx square, and this side p square cos square pt. Okay, तो कुछ आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन करते जाओ, कुछ मैनिपुलेशन करते जाओ, तो ये प्रूफ्स इजी हो जाते हैं ऐसे वाले सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव वाले. ऑल्दो यू विल गेट योर आंसर परफेक्टली फाइन, इवन इफ आप यहाँ से सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव निकालो फिर सब सब्स्टिट्यूशन करो, बट वो एक्सप्रेशन इतना लेंदी हो जाता है. तो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस वे, यू कैन ट्राई दैट वे इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस. ओके, नाउ this cos square t that you got by identity is 1 minus sin square t. Now why did I do that? Because I was given x as sin t एंड प्रूफ में 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर लाना है, तो वो आपको देख टैली करना पड़ता है, क्या गिवन है, क्या प्रूफ लाना है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन दैट सेम लाइन कि व्हाट ट्रिक आई शुड अप्लाई सो दैट आई प्रोसीड एंड गेट हियर. Okay, so this cos t, as soon as I saw here, I cross multiplied that, I squared it, and then I used the trigonometric identity and got my sin t here, which by equation 1 can be replaced by x. So 1 minus x square ये आ गया proof का. Okay. Okay, so 1 minus x cos sin square t I had replaced, dy by dx square and p square. Likewise इस cos को भी sin से replace कर दिया क्योंकि यहाँ y sin के terms में given था. You getting it? Okay, so identities use हो गई. अब substitution कर लिया हमने. This by first equation is x square and this was y square. This p square आप distributed inside नहीं भी करोगे तो आप differentiate करके आ ही जाएगा वो sooner or later. Okay, now differentiating once again क्योंकि second order derivative तो हमें लाना ही था, तो we'll differentiate it once again. तो यहाँ product rule लगेगा. First function as it is, derivative of dy by dx square will become 2 times dy by dx, then derivative of dy by dx would be d2y by dx2. Okay, plus now second function as it is, dy by dx whole square as it is, and इसका derivative करोगे तो 1 का vanish हो गया and इसका आएगा minus 2x is equal to p square constant 0, then minus p square scalar as it is, and derivative of y square will be 2y, and then derivative of y will be dy by dx. Okay, now cancel whatever you can. We had a 2 2 2 in all the terms. We had dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx in all the terms. Okay, so you can take that common or cancel it whichever way. So what are you left with? 1 minus x square d2y by dx2 from the first term. From the second term, minus of x dy by dx, and from here माइनस पी स्क्वेयर वाई राइट हैंड साइड में था, लेफ्ट में आएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू हैड टू प्रूव. ओके, तो अगर ये ट्रिक लगाओगे तो आपका ये प्रूफ सिंपलर हो गया, शॉर्टर हो गया. एंड एज आई सेड, अगर कोई नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट, अगर ये आपको नहीं स्ट्राइक करता है, you can easily after this proceed to find your second order derivative by quotient rule and then substitute in the given expression, calculate the whole thing, and you'll end up getting a 0. Do it that way also. Okay, next is to find derivative for this function, that is y is equal to x tan x, I think it is, it's not clear, plus under root of x square plus 1 upon 2. Okay, as I'm saying, say children, I don't have that book, so Nivedita, you will kindly let me know if the answers are correct. Cross check and let me know if there's any problem. Okay, okay, so I have taken it as x tan x, I think I understood like that. Y is equal to x to the power of tan x. तो ये function देख के आपको दिख गया कि इसमें आपको logarithmic differentiation चाहिएगा. You have variable here, you have variable in the power. So for such functions we require logarithmic differentiation. This one can be done directly. आप चाहो तो इसमें भी log ले सकते हो, but log लेके और काम बढ़ेगा. So power rule है, and then फिर उसका it is not difficult. So do it directly. Okay, so let y is equal to this first function I have called as u, the second function I have called as v. थोड़ा writing में मैंने short कर लिया, आप चाहो तो उसे properly present कर सकते हो. So anyways, if you write it this way also, it is clear that we've taken the first function as u, second function as v. Now differentiating separately, तो इस वाले के लिए log लेना पड़ेगा as I said. So log of u will become, इसमें log लोगे तो tan x power comes in front, log of x. Alright, differentiating 1 by u आता है, उसको हमें क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, तो मैंने शॉर्टकट कर दिया यहाँ पे 1 by u, जो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होकर फिर u की वैल्यू रख देते हैं. तो आई हैव रिटन स्ट्रेट अवे u was x to the power of tan x. Okay, एंड इसमें प्रोडक्ट रूल लगेगा. सो tan x as it is, derivative of log x 1 by x, then log x as it is, derivative of tan x x square x. Okay, तो इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना होता है, यू राइट द रिजल्ट एज इट इज एंड ये आ जाता है. ओके, देन सेकेंड फंक्शन v. v का डिफरेंशिएशन करोगे, पहले पावर रूल लगेगा, हाफ कम्स इन फ्रंट, पावर बन जाएगी माइनस हाफ, फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव होगा फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन, इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा आपका 2x, स्केलर 2 विल कम एज इट इज, एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2x स्क्वायर इज 2x, एंड कांस्टेंट का तो वैनिश हो जाएगा. अब इसको आप मैनिपुलेट कर लो, कैलकुलेट कर लो फर्दर. सो दिस x इज आउट हियर, एंड ये माइनस पावर हाफ था तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, एंड ये माइनस हाफ यहाँ से है, ये ऊपर जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकेट हो गया, माइनस पार थी, एंड ये 2 की हाफ पार डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगी. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू विल गेट. यू कैन डू दैट कैलकुलेशन एंड चेक. This is what you're getting is your dv by dx. So next you would say we had to differentiate this whole function together. So derivative of y, if it is taken as v plus u plus v, will be dy by dx will be du by dx plus dv by dx. रख दो result by 1 into, इसका रिजल्ट ये आया था, इसका रिजल्ट ये आया था, एंड दैट्स योर आंसर.